Hi, this is Bob from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button for all our upcoming video announcements. The Panasonic Toughbook CF-53 is a solid performer with a very durable build. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through all the features included with the Toughbook CF-53, so stay tuned. Hi, welcome back guys. So I'm going to just give you a little walkthrough on the Panasonic Toughbook 53. I've gotten a lot of questions about it. Just kind of want to talk about it. It is Panasonic's upgrade to the CF-52, and we've done a review on the 52. You can take a look at that in a prior episode. I'll leave the link here. The 53 on the improvement was they made it a 14-inch screen, which is right here. This particular unit came touch. This one here I have setting right here is a touch screen. It basically is a workhorse. Now it doesn't have a great resolution. I think it's 1366 by 768, but hey, you don't buy this laptop to game with. This laptop, although this laptop wasn't designed to go out into the mud and the crud and the rain and bang it around like that, it was designed for that traveling professional where it might get some bumps and some scrapes and just, you know, not be the best environment, but not extremely rugged. Hence the reason for the semi-ruggedness. You might also use this outdoors. Let's say you were a construction guy and you just needed it in your truck. This unit would work just fine for you. So, some things I like about this unit. Great battery life. This unit conserves battery. So, if you're looking for something that has a nice battery life, the Panasonic CF-53 batteries do last a good amount of time. Another nice feature about this laptop is how upgradable it is. So, you can add a lot of different things to it. For example, you can add a webcam, you can add GPS, you can add the broadband card, so that if you wanted to have broadband no matter where you were, you could do that as well. Other things about this laptop that I like is all of the ports. Now they keep a lot of the legacy ports, like the 9-pin serial port right here. It has its own little door. Now keep in mind, it's not water resistant, but it's, well, I guess it's water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So it can get splashed, but it's not got a rubber seal around it or anything like that. This is where your SIM card would go right here. And then over here, we have the SVGA port, as well as the HDMI out port. So it does have some newer ports on it as compared to some of the other Toughbooks. There's a couple of USB 2.0 ports, and there's your NIC port right there. On the side here, we got two USB 3.0 ports, as well as where you slide your SIM for your broadband. Over here, the PCMCI slots and the Express PCI. This is where your battery is, and this is where your hard drive is on the bottom here. This is where you upgrade your memory. Has the car dock port as well, or you could even connect to a port replicator. Speaking of car docks though, I happen to have one of Gamber Johnson's ports right here. And the nice thing about the Gamber Johnson is it's nice and sleek. This is where it would plug into. You would just put the laptop into the base like this and it snaps in. The nice thing about this car dock is it comes with the power supply, and this happens to be the hardwired version, so you would hardwire it right into your car. There's a SVGA out, the 9-pin serial port right there, as well as HDMI out, some extra USB ports, and of course your NIC port. A fantastic unit to mount in your car if you needed to be mobile. So that is the Gamber Johnson dock. So another nice feature about this is the handle. It makes it feel like you're carrying a briefcase. It's got a nice latch. And of course, As you guys know, I love keyboards. The keyboard on this is just like the CF-31 keyboard. You can get it as a standard chiclet keyboard like this, or you can upgrade to the backlit chiclet keyboard like you would see on a 31 or even a CF-19. You can get the backlit chiclet keyboards. But it's got a nice full-size keyboard, nice and bouncy. I prefer this one as well as the 31 over some of like the CF-19 keyboards or even the CF-20. If you need more information about the 53, I did an episode on comparing the 53 to the 54, and that would be episode 3. I'll leave the link right here so that you can take a look and see what that video is all about. It'll give you more information about this 53 as well. But that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the segment. Leave any comments, questions, or anything that you want to mention below. I'll try to get to answer them as fast as I can. Until next week, see you then.